Hi, another new poem in English. The title is Over to You. You forever fight me, and obviously, I forever fight you. Newton's third law ensures that the second statement above come as a natural consequence of the first. Either both the opening statements are true or both are false. Assuming that both are true, why is it that we have different takes on every fact? Is it because you're so much younger than me? Or, said differently, you have so much lesser experience than me? Or is it that our fundamentals differ? If the former, it is likely that we will get more in sync with time, and perhaps there will come a day when we will not fight, nor even agree to disagree, but actually agree. Life may go differently from that point on for both of us. However, for now, there is no us. There is only you and there is only me. If, on the other hand, it is the latter, then why do our fundamentals differ? Obviously, because our pasts differ. Or is it because our futures differ? In any case, if our fundamentals, our basics, our axioms, our grounds differ, how exactly so? Of course, you're more given to your subjective reality than I am to mine. Or at any rate, I happen to think so. And this is my poem, not yours. So what I say goes. But seriously, do I not take the trouble to get to the objective reality of everything, even of the comfortable, to me, even of the comfortable lies, like my belief that you are made for me? I may still function as if you are, but I do know, searingly painfully, that I do not much exist for you. Forget about you pegging your own existence to mine. And therefore, I do not much expect from you, except periodically, lesser or greater loads of shit. You, on the other hand, are more or less completely given to your subjective reality, which is why eventually you get to hate everyone, and everyone you, except me, at least thus far. So, standing on those grounds, form seems to be of the greatest importance to you, and to me, it has always been the function that was more important, even when form did have some importance to me. So, you're driven by the form, and I by the function, for most part at least, or so I like to believe. Clearly, therefore, you like different things and like differently. So, unless we can see beyond form and function, things of utmost importance to us, we will always fight. Both the opening statements shall remain true. And when we see beyond our own individual likes and dislikes, both the opening statements shall become false. And when will that be? when we value each other more than we value our own independent likes and dislikes. When will that day come? At my end, let me try to begin today. From now on, when we are together, I shall endeavor to make my likes and dislikes subservient to your opinion. What you say will be right, no matter what. Now, over to you. Thank you.